Hello and welcome back for this video. I'm so happy to have you here, and in this video I will make the basic of the server configuration so we work with middleware. And why we work with middleware is because in the middleware we use the access control. You will hit it in the browser if you work with the node every day. If you normally use curl and something like that, you will probably not hit it. But we need to make the access control allow origin, and then we need a configuration to Mongo database so we can connect very easy, and for the last so we can get our configuration file too. So that's what we want to do in this video. So let's begin. So I hope you have a little understanding about Python before we begin, else it's okay. I'm creating a folder called library. And inside this I need this file, so we can go in for a folder, and I have my folder here. I need a link, so I just click a link here and open new window, go inside here and go in for a library side package. I put it inside here and rename it to library. If you are in Linux, it's much easier to do, but here on Windows, where I record my videos to YouTube because it's easier, then I need to do it this way, else it won't work. Now I can prepare the first state. It's import OS. I need this, and I need to import the config parser, and I need to import from Mongo. I need to import Mongo client. That's what we need in this case. You need to build three functions. I'll call it this. Oops. Wrong one. And I will need to make a class here. Sorry, a new one. It should be to Mongo database. And I need a class called cross component and this object. In this one I need to define the process response. It's the request and response, resources, and request succeeds. Whoops. Succeeded. For now I just put pass. The config parser, if you don't have it, just install it, else you can't run it. I will say the directory path in this case should be the same, so I use this gname, and then I say os path, replace a real path, and then the file name we are in right now. That's the path, so it's always going for the library. In a library we will have the config file. I will create a minute. The config file should be the config parser. Should be here, and config should read a file path. And then we need to say the config ini, and of course I want to return it back. That's how we can connect for our configuration file. That's creating it here. I'll create it for config. I'll just call it sample now, and then I will copy it and paste. I will not put my config file online in my repository. You need to rename the config sample. And the next, we go inside here to be sure we always have the config access. I will use it here, and then when we have it down below, we will get access for it. So if we need it, then it's perfect. The next will be, I will make a try cache, and the client should be Mongo client, and we need the host, and the port number, and then we need to Mongo connect, and then the client. And what should the collection be? The database. Whoops, something going wrong. Value. We'll go down here to say arrays. Just exit and say Mongo connection to host is what is refused, and I'll say my host is equal to config MongoDB host, and my port number should be config MongoDB, and then the port number. And if everything is running well, I will return my connection. We don't want to I'll call the other file config, and then we want to return it to be sure it's not conflicting. And then scroll down here, and now we're coming for this class we need to record. Inside here, I want to say we want a response set header, and this is the access, control, allow, origin, and we will accept everything. Of course, I will not recommend this in production, but right now we are testing and we need to be sure everything is running smooth. And then we say if request succeeds, and request method is equal to options, and request get header is access control is a request method. Then we going inside to say allow, get the header allow, and then we need to say delete header. And now we will allow headers to say request get header star. Default is equal to this. And now we set the header again. Set header. And in this case, we want to say access control. Access control allow headers. Oop. I will just rename this one. Yeah. And then we need access control max age is equal to 86400. It's 24 hours. Let's mark it as a comment. 24 hours. And that's it. That's the configuration. Now we are ready to implement it to a server. You can go back for your server.py, and then we need to say from library. It's a folder here. We want to import the crush component, and the crush component should just be put inside our middleware down below. And if everything is running smooth, this should be running correct. So let's say Python server, and should be giving no errors, and that's correct. So thank you for watching, and now we are ready for the next step. I will hope you enjoy my video and subscribe my channel so you can get when I recording the part number 3 in this course. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your time. I hope you want to put it to your playlist. Give it a like, and if you have any questions, please make them below. And I hope you enjoy the rest of my course. Thank you so much.